everybody! This video provides a clear and structured walkthrough of the Power BI desktop ribbon tabs: Home, Insert, Modeling, View, Optimize, and Head. By the end, you understand the purpose of each tab, the tools available under them. Today's session is all about getting comfortable with Power BI desktop. We'll start with the workflow in Power BI. Next, we will guide you through the Power BI desktop sign-in process, and then we will explore the Power BI desktop environment. After that, we dive into the main tabs of the ribbon: Home, Insert, Modeling, View, and Help, and see how each one supports your reporting journey. Power BI works with two types of data sources: cloud-based data and on-premises data. First, we bring data into Power BI desktop, where we clean, transform, and model the data, create relationships, add calculations, and design interactive visuals. Once the report is ready, we publish it to the Power BI service to share with others. In the service, we can set up scheduled refreshes for cloud data and use a gateway connection to keep on-premises data updated. Finally, shared reports can be accessed by colleagues through Power BI service, Power BI desktop, or mobile devices, ensuring insights are available anytime, anywhere. Power BI isn't just one screen, it's a whole environment built for data storytelling. Let's explore the key parts of Power BI. First, Canvas. The Canvas is the blank design surface in Power BI desktop or Power BI service where you build reports. You can drag fields from your data model onto the canvas to create visualizations like charts, tables, and maps. Each page of a report has its own canvas, so you can organize content across multiple pages. On the left-hand side, you see different kind of views. Report view. This is where charts, tables, and dashboards come alive. Data view. The data view shows your raw tables, perfect for checking values and calculated columns. Then there is the model view, the blueprint of your data. Here you connect tables and define relationships. Need calculations? That's where DAX comes in. Measures and formulas gives your reports real analytical power. And for advanced users, the new TMDL view lets you script your entire semantic model in a human-readable language. On the right-hand side, we have different kind of panes. The Fields pane shows all your tables and columns. The Visualizations pane lets you pick charts and customize visuals. The Filters pane controls what data is displayed across visuals, pages, or the whole report. Together, the views, ribbon, and panes make Power BI a complete ecosystem. Prepare, model, calculate, visualize, and share. And today we go in detail on the ribbon, the toolbar at the top of Power BI desktop. It's your command center with tabs like Home, Insert, Modeling, and View. To use Power BI, you need an organizational account. That means a work or school email like yourname@company.com. You also need internet access to authenticate your account and connect to the Power BI service. Finally, make sure you have at least a free Power BI license so you can sign in, publish reports, and start sharing insights with your team. In Power BI, the ribbon is your command center. Let's explore its tabs in under a minute. First, the Home tab, where you connect to data, transform it, manage relationships, and publish reports. Next, the Insert tab, your creative toolbox. Add visuals, text boxes, images, shapes, and even buttons for navigation. Then comes the Modeling tab, the brain of Power BI. Here you create measures, calculated columns, and set up security rules with DAX. The View tab lets you style your report, apply themes, manage bookmarks, and analyze performance. And finally, the Help tab, your gateway to tutorials, documentation, and the Power BI community. Together, these tabs make the ribbon the ultimate control panel for building powerful reports. In Power BI Desktop, the File tab is where you manage your reports and settings. From home, you can start fresh, while Open lets you access existing Power BI files. Use Save As to store your work under a new name and share to distribute reports through email or Teams. With Get Data, you connect to the sources like Excel or SQL, and Import brings in models or workbooks. Export lets you create PDFs or PowerPoint slides, while Publish uploads your report to the Power BI service for collaboration. You can also sign out of your account, adjust options and settings to customize behavior and security, and check about for version details. Together, these options make the File tab your hub for creating, managing, and sharing reports. In Power BI Desktop, the ribbon gives you powerful tools to build and shape reports. Starting with a clipboard, we have standard operations like paste, cut, copy, plus the format painter to quickly copy formatting from one visual to another. Under data, you can connect to sources like Excel, SQL Server, or the web with Get Data. Recent sources makes it easy to reconnect. Enter data lets you type in small data sets manually, and transform data opens the Power Query editor for cleaning and shaping. Data sources setting help you manage credentials and privacy levels. The queries group is where you keep your data fresh. Use refresh to update from connected sources, edit queries to adjust transformations in Power Query, and manage queries to organize multiple connections. Next, the Insert group allows you to add text boxes, shapes, buttons, and images to your reports. You can also create new pages. These elements are perfect for storytelling, guiding users with navigation buttons, or adding branding with images. The Calculation group is where you add intelligence to your model. Create new measures with DAX, add calculated columns, build calculated tables, or use quick measures from common calculations like running totals or percentages. This is where you define KPIs, ratios, and advanced metrics that bring your data to life. We have also sensitivity. Here you can apply sensitivity labels that integrate with Microsoft Purview information protection. Labels like confidential or highly confidential help protect sensitive data and ensure compliance across your organization. Under Share, you find options to publish and distribute your work. With Publish to Power BI service, you can upload your report to the cloud for collaboration. Export lets you save your report as a PDF, PowerPoint, or even Excel, make it easy to share insights in meetings or offline. And finally, there is Copilot, your AI-powered assistant inside Power BI. You can ask Copilot to generate visuals from natural languages prompts, suggest insights based on your dataset, or even answer questions like, "Show me sales by region." It's a smart way to accelerate analysis and uncover trends you might not see at first glance. Together, these groups, clipboard, data, queries, insert, calculation, sensitivity, share, and Copilot, make Power BI Desktop a complete environment for connecting, shaping, designing, protecting, and sharing your data. Now let's explore the Insert tab in Power BI Desktop. This is your creative toolbox for building and designing reports. First, under Pages, you can add a new page to create a fresh canvas for visuals, or use Duplicate Page to copy an existing page with all its visuals and settings. This is a great way to reuse layout without starting from scratch. Next, we have Visuals. Power BI offers a wide range of standard charts types like bar, line, pie, scatter plots, maps, tables, and cards. You can also import custom visuals from the app source marketplaces to extend your dashboards with specialized charts and tools. The AI visualization brings advanced analytics into your report. Key influencers helps you identify factors driving a metric such as what influences employee attrition. The decomposition tree lets you break down metrics step by step, perfect for root cause analysis. And narrative automatically generates text-based explanations of your data using natural language to summarize trends. On the Power Platform, you will find integration with other Microsoft tools. Paginated Report allows you to embed pixel-perfect printable reports alongside your interactive dashboards. Power Apps lets you embed apps directly into your report for data entry or workflows. And Power Automate enables you to trigger flows directly from your visuals, connecting your report to automated processes. The Elements group gives you design to enhance in storytelling. Add a text box for explanations, titles, or notes. Use shapes like rectangles, circles, or arrows to highlight areas. Insert buttons for navigation, drill through, or custom action. And add images such as logos, icons, or branding to personalize your report. Finally, we have Spark Lines. These are tiny charts embedded inside tables that show trends at a glance. For example, a monthly sales trend per product row. They are a powerful way to add context without taking up extra space. So the Insert tab is where you bring your report to life, adding pages, visuals, AI insights, Power Platform integration, design elements, and sparklines to tell a complete data story. Now let's explore the Modeling tab in Power BI Desktop. This is where you shape your data model and add intelligence to your reports. Starting with relationships, you can manage how tables connect. Here you create, edit, or delete relationships, define cardinality, and control how data flows between tables. This ensures your visuals show accurate results across multiple datasets. Next, we have calculations. With new visual calculations, you can create calculations tied directly to a specific visual without affecting the entire model. New measures allows you to build DAX-based calculations such as total sales or average cost. New column lets you add calculated columns to enrich your tables. New table generates new tables from existing data using DAX expressions. And quick measures provide templates for common calculations like percent of total or running totals. Together, these tools add intelligence and flexibility to your model. The Calendar group is used for auto-date, timetables, or managing date hierarchies. This is especially important for direct queries or real-time dashboards, where time intelligence drives meaningful analysis. With Page Refresh, you control how often visuals update. This is critical for direct queries or streaming data sources, ensuring your dashboards stay live and accurate. Parameters gives you dynamic values that can be defined and used in queries or calculations. They make reports interactive, allowing users to adjust input like threshold or ranges. The Security group lets you manage roles with role-level security. This restricts data access based on user roles. For example, managers only see their own department's data. It's a key feature for compliance and governance. Finally, we have Question and Answer. This feature allows users to type natural language questions like show sales by country, and Power BI automatically generates visuals to answer. It's a powerful way to make data exploration accessible to everybody. So, the Modeling tab is where you connect tables, build calculations, manage calendars, control refresh, define parameters, secure your data, and even let users ask questions in plain language. It's the most important part of turning raw data into structured, intelligent insights. Now let's look at the View tab in Power BI Desktop. This is where you control the appearance, layout, and performance of your reports.
Starting with themes, you can choose from built-in options like default, colorful, or high contrast. You can also import a custom themes file to match your company's branding and ensure consistent design across reports. Next is page view. Here you decide how your report fits on Canvas: fit to page, fit to width, and actual size displays visuals at 100 scale. The mobile layout option lets you switch to mobile view. You can rearrange visuals and create a simplified version of your report, optimized for phone screens, ensuring your dashboards are accessible anywhere. With page options, you configure settings for the current report page, such as background and size. The Show Panes sections gives you powerful tools for managing interactivity and performance. The Filters pane lets you control reports level, page level, and visual filters. The Bookmarks pane allows you to save and manage reports states for storytelling. The Selection pane helps you control visibility and layering of visuals. The Sync Slicers pane synchronizes slices across multiple pages for consistent filtering, and the Performance Analyzer measures how long visuals take to load, helping you optimize your report speed. So, the View tab is all about presentation and usability, from themes and layouts to filters, bookmarks, and performance tools. It ensures your report not only looks professional but also runs smoothly across devices. Now let's look at the Optimize tab in Power BI Desktop. This tab is all about performance and efficiency. Under queries, you control how data is fetched, which is especially important when working with direct queries or large datasets. The report section helps you manage refresh and rendering, allowing you to pause visual while editing so your design process is faster and smoother. With Review, you can diagnose performance issues using tools like the Performance Analyzer, which shows how long each visual takes to load. This helps you identify bottlenecks and optimize your report. Finally, the Apply options lets you commit your optimization setting, ensuring your changes are saved and your report runs at peak performance. So the Optimize tab is your toolkit for keeping reports efficient, responsive, and ready for real-time use. Now let's explore the Help tab in Power BI Desktop. This is your support and learning hub. Under Info, you'll find details about your current Power BI Desktop installation, including version and build information. This is useful when checking if you're on the latest update or troubleshooting issues. The Help section gives you direct access to official Microsoft documentation and tutorials, so you can quickly learn how to use features or solve problems. With Community, you can connect to the Power BI forums, where users share tips, ask questions, and discuss best practices. It's a great place to learn from others and get support outside official channels. Finally, the Resources section keeps you up to date. You'll find the Power BI blog with the latest updates and feature announcements, Power BI ideas where you can submit requests for new features, and external learning resources like Microsoft Learn and webinars to continue building your skills. So, the Help tab is all about guidance, connection, and growth, giving you the tools to learn, troubleshoot, and stay current with Power BI. Thanks for joining me on this ride. I'm Arifa, Business Intelligence Data Analyst. Power BI isn't just a tool, it's a mindset. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to level up their data game. Keep exploring, keep building, and keep going.